housing market has been out of the ordinary the last couple of years, and selling a property today is very different. Homes aren't quite flying off the shelf like in the last few years, but you can still get great value for your home. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. If you're a seller entering today's market, here are 5 tips to help sell your home effectively. Price your home competitively. It's always best practice to do your homework and look at recent neighborhood listings of sold comparables for the price, days on market, and condition. This review will help determine your competitive listing price and prevent your home sitting on the market and becoming stale. Next, want to sell faster? You may want to consider a lower price than comps in your area and price your home strategically. An old retail trick is to set a price ending in the number 9, like $499,900. This will make the home seem less expensive and create buyer's interest and a sense of urgency. Maximizing your online presence. Today's buyer is searching online for a home. That is why hiring an agent with top-notch digital photography and online presence always best. Then, think like a buyer. Spend extra time on the property details and highlight your home's best features to attract potential buyers. Next, clear out clutter, closets, and personal belongings. Minimize the presence of yourself in the home so buyers can visualize themselves in the space. A good rule of thumb is to clear 75% of your home's clutter and personal belongings. If you're a homeowner entering the housing market, feel free to reach out to me so that you can get the help you need in maximizing the return of your sale. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.